So this is my 2013 Honda CBR 600 RR. The day I got the bike, I couldn't stand the stock exhaust, so I installed a Two Brothers Black Series slip-on, and it sounds... I'll start it up for you quick. So it's a lot different from the stock exhaust. It still has that same tone, but it's a lot more grovelly, more like a growl, I suppose you could call it, and a little bit deeper, a lot louder. Yep, that's hail. So I think I'll go home now. That'll do, donkey. That'll do.